Next section, psychology of aged. Late adulthood, 60s and above, is a recent consumption in developmental psychology. In order to incorporate the age range of 60s and above, old age was conceptualized. The rising life expectancy in human race pose challenge into charting the developmental changes that take place in old age. Who is old age? A person who have above 65 years. Can you define old age psychology? Psychology of aged is the scientific study of how old age thoughts, feelings and behavior are influenced by the culture, imagined or implied occurrence of others. Look at this old age. Old age health. Old age health has been affected due to degeneration of physique and mental degeneration. Geriatrics. It is a subspecialty of internal medicine and family medicine that focus on health care of elderly people. It aims to promote health by preventing and treating diseases and disabilities in older adults. Psychology of people in late adulthood. Determination in physical health, changes in perception, changes in cognitive dimension, changes in social dimension, changes in emotional temperament. Important psychological needs of aged. Need to change mental culture to improve health, love and affection from relatives, social support to improve self-esteem, support to acceptance, old age problems, economic help for emotionally temperament, enhanced knowledge to cope with the problems. Look at this old age care. Physical health problem among elderly. Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, diabetes, heart diseases, vision and eye disease, osteoporosis, arthritis, cancer, incontinence, mental health and hearing and sleep disorders. Mental health problems among elderly. Dementia, depression, alcohol abuse, anxiety, hearing voices, confusion. How to improve mental health among old age, mental health improvement. Therapies. First, activity therapies. Second, expressive therapies. 3, alternative therapies. 1, meditation. 2. Biofeedback. 4. Group therapies. 5. Pastoral counseling. 6. Psychotherapies. Mental hygiene of old age. Old age maintain their mental health through activity therapies, meditation and biofeedback. Role of nurses. Through geriatric health, nursing has been involved to fulfill psychological needs of old. Through geriatric health, nursing has been involved fulfilling psychological needs of old age. Old age mental health care services, physical health care services, medical surgical, social health care services, etc. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.